We manufacture cellular, rubber, and plastic products. We're approximately 150 employee company with over 1,300 customers worldwide. What makes West Virginia workers special is the pride of workmanship. It's the work ethic. Their behavior is more like stockholders rather than employees. They take ownership in the success of the organization that they work for. We can move our goods with one-day service to the majority of the country. We look at ourselves as the axle in the wheel, and we have the largest intercoastal shipping port in the country. What it does is it supports a large transportation industry. In this day and time, how quickly you get your goods to market is critical. Today what you have is a state that understands business. Without the assistance of the state of West Virginia, we would not have been able to grow at the pace that we've been able to grow. When you can supplement the training cost of employees through the assistance of the state of West Virginia, you can bring people on sooner, and it certainly has been a critical element in our success. These are long-term thinking people. They understand that what they do today will determine the vitality of the state's economy tomorrow.